Fixing internet connection issues on Windows. Method 1. Change DNS settings. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel, then open it. Click on Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your Ethernet connection and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the following. Preferred DNS server 8.8, 8.8. Alternate DNS server 8.8, 4.4. Click OK to save changes. Restart your computer. Method 2. Change network profile and disable metered connection. Open Start and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Select Ethernet and then click on your network. Set the network to private. Turn metered connection off. Method 3. Network Reset. Open Start and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Network Reset. Click Reset Now and restart your PC. Method 4. Use Troubleshooter. Open Start and go to Settings. Click on Update and Security, then select Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Select Internet Connections and run the Troubleshooter. Method 5. Update or reinstall network adapter driver. Open Start and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand network adapters. Right-click your network adapter and choose Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't help, right-click the adapter again and choose Uninstall Device. After uninstalling, click Action greater than Scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver. After completing these steps, your internet issues should be resolved. Method 6. Release, renew IP and flush DNS. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, ipconfig/flushdins. Close the command prompt and restart your PC.